just shutting down your eyes, just tuning into the space that you're in. I'm just going to go into a nice, easy theater healing. Just taking a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. This is time for you, the most important person. I just want you to visualize a beautiful ball of energy in your heart space as it starts to rotate clockwise, spinning at the speed of light, as it starts to go down your body, goes down through your stomach, going down through your legs, and going all the way out through your feet into Mother Earth. Now imagine that beautiful ball of light coming up through your feet, coming up through your legs, and going all the way through the center of your body, and going all the way out through your crown chakra. Now there's a beautiful ball of white light there. I just want you to place yourself in that. And as you drift up higher and higher, imagining yourself going past the universe, going through layers of white light, going through more layers of white light, going higher and higher through more layers of white light, traveling through a beautiful golden light, traveling through all the colors of the rainbow, different sizes, different colors, going higher and higher, going into the beautiful pink misty cloud, ever so light, ever so fluffy. And as you look up, you see a beautiful beam of white light, and it's beaming down on you like the rays of the sun. You can feel that energy. You can see that brightness. And you're getting drawn closer and closer, going higher and higher, until now you're completely surrounded by the essence of this white light, the seventh plane, unconditional love. Just taking a deep breath in, and on your breath out, just dissolving that beautiful ball of white light as you float around. No gravity, no judgment, just pure essence of unconditional love. You are now in the theta state. And do I have permission to work with you? And all you need to do is say yes out loud to receive this healing. Beautiful. And just repeating after me, Creator of all that is, it is commanded that I bring through beautiful healing energy, shifting, moving forward, letting go of all the connection to procrastination, and stepping into my true essence and my power and confidence in the highest and best way. Thank you, it is done, it is done, it is done, show me. And I just want you to imagine yourself floating around, feeling that unconditional love. Now I want you to visualize this tunnel. And there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I want you to see your inner child at the end of this tunnel. And you're going to move closer and closer to your inner child. We're going to count down from 10. And when you get to 1, you'll be in front of your inner child. 10. Taking a step forward. 9. Moving even closer. 8. 7. Feeling that energy of that inner child. 6. Getting closer. 5. 4. Feeling that energy of that inner child as you move closer. 3. 2. And 1. Now look into her eyes and feel the first time that the connection with the procrastination, this feeling like you've just had something ripped away from you. And you're looking at her. Now, with all the resources you have at the moment, with all the channeling and everything you've been through, what advice would you give to her? I want you to give your advice to her. Let her know that it's okay. Let her know that she's done the best that she can. And just share that with her as you hold her hands. Give her a big hug. And then just coming back, floating back to where you are now. Now I want you to go to that situation, the strongest situation that is blocking you. It's irritable, it's frustrating, it's just pissing you off. Go back there. I want you to see that situation. And I want you to yell and scream and say everything that annoyed you and everything you hated. And it's like you're just yelling at yourself for being procrastinated. What made you do that? You're just telling yourself off. You know better. You're writing everything down on a piece of paper and just giving yourself a note. Now screw up that note and throw it in a fire, in a flame. Release it. And repeat after me. I forgive you, not for your actions, but to set myself free. And just watch it burn. Whether you're yelling at yourself or yelling at somebody, just set that free. Just watch it disappear. It's like those ashes are just floating up to the beautiful bright white light, to be cleansed and never to be returned again. Come back to normal breathing. Slow down your breath. Take a deep breath in. Getting back up to that beautiful white light. Now you got another piece of paper. And you're writing down the next step. So you've just stepped over that hurdle of procrastination and you're writing down the next steps. It's almost like you're setting yourself goals. You're writing them down. You've got a little bit on the side to tick them off as you go. You see yourself ticking them off. You're accomplishing everything. You're achieving everything. You're going into that feeling. And you feel that feeling flow. It's like watching the stream flow. You're flowing with it. There's no stop in this stream now. It's flowing. It's moving forward. It's flowing down that stream. There's consistency. You're ticking them off. You're feeling really good. And there's just that beautiful energy that just keeps coming through for you. And you're captivating it and you're keeping it and it's going on and on and on and on and flowing and flowing and flowing. Feels good, huh? Keep writing that beautiful list, I'm doing this and I'm getting that done and ticking this off. And see yourself in that beautiful celebration energy. And just saying, I have achieved. I have achieved this. I have in my life now. I am proud of what I have done. I feel good with what I've got. I am able to enjoy what I have achieved, what I have now, what I have accomplished, and feeling at peace and okay with everybody around me celebrating this beautiful journey. Bring all that energy into every cell in your body. As you fold this piece of paper up into an aeroplane and you fly it right to the white light to be created and brought through right now in the highest and best way for you. Thank you. It's done, it's done, it's done. Taking a deep breath in. Thanking your gods, your guardian angels for manifesting this into your life right now and feeling good about it. Giving 3 things you're grateful for. And would you like to know what it feels like and know that you do live each day knowing that everything that you bring forth is being manifested for you right now? Just say yes to receive that. Just taking a nice deep breath in, floating all the way back up to that beautiful white light. And just placing yourself on a beautiful white feather. And just start to drift down from side to side, coming all the way down through the beautiful pink misty cloud, coming all the way down through all the colors of the rainbow, coming all the way down through the golden light, coming all the way down through the beautiful white lights. 3, 2, 1, coming all the way down and through your crown chakra, connecting together as one with all those new beautiful downloads, resources, and programs, connecting it all the way down to Mother Earth, where you stand on Mother Earth and feel that grounding. Picture yourself under a beautiful waterfall as it splashes all the way over your face, your feet, your body, grounding, purifying, and cleansing you and putting that magic bubble of protection around you. Now feel that energy of Mother Earth come up through your feet, your legs, and place it in your heart place with your hands over your heart. And hear the first word that comes to you as a message. And when you're ready, 3, 2, 1, come back to now, open your eyes, and be present where you are now.